We're still not 100% sure what our plan is with Gotta Have a Race now that it's back in the CJ family. The one thing we do know is whatever we end up doing with it, there'll definitely be some changes under the hood. Well, today we're going to make working under the hood a lot easier with some help from Cervini's. One of the very first installation videos we ever did was a set of hood struts on Gotta Have a Race back when it was a brand new car back in 2012. Now, unfortunately, a few years later, it was involved in a front-end collision and the stock hood was destroyed. Now, at the time, the owner put the Cervini's hood on, but the prop rod was long gone and the hood struts that were on the car would not work with a slightly heavier hood. Now, Cervini's offers a hood strut kit specifically designed for your 2005 to 2014 Mustang that'll work with a stock or Cervini's hood, and today that's what we're going to install. We're beginning the installation over here on the driver's side. The driver's side and passenger side are the same. They include these brackets, and where these are going to go is right here. So we're going to remove that bolt, and the bracket will sit just like that on top of the fender, and then bolt down with the original hardware. Make sure it's tight against the fender and flush. And tighten it down. Okay, now we're going to install the bracket on the hood. Again, they're size specific. It's going to go just like that. We're going to remove the top bolt. Make sure the bracket's up against the hinge and tighten it down. Then repeat the process with the brackets on the passenger side. We're now ready to install the hood strut. You want to make sure the body of the strut attaches up top here to the hood. Just line it up, press it on. And the same thing down here. And same thing over here on the passenger side. Then on, and your installation's finished. Cervini's hood struts will make working under the hood a lot easier. I mean, they'll lift the hood up nice for us, and I actually like the design. They're tucked back so far. You have easy access from the sides, which again, make working on the engine a lot easier. As far as installation goes, these are very straightforward. Figure about half an hour and be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.